Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I hope you all are good. So today I'm going to teach you a very interesting topic, that is rules for finding image format by a concave mirror. इससे पहले हमने जो डिस्कशन किया था that was all about sign conventions. So, and I also told you the important terms related with the spherical mirrors. Now today the topic is very interested. जितने भी cases आएंगे ना, you will be asked to find the image formed by a concave mirror. So before that, before you are asked to do so, you have to remember, my dear, rules. What are the rules? Rules for finding image formed by a concave mirror. तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन है, what are the different rules? तो कौन से ऐसे रूल्स हैं जिनको आपको याद रखना है, और उनको याद रखने के बाद ही आप इमेज फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. चाहे वट एवर द इमेज आपको बनानी है तो आप इसको आराम से ट्रेस कर सकते हो. बट बिफोर दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर रूल्स फॉर फाइंडिंग इमेज. सो व्हाट आर दीज रूल्स? Let us see, please. Watch this video till end, and so that you can better understand. And after that, you will be asked to find the image, find the nature and position of the image when the object is placed anywhere in front of the mirror. Okay? I guarantee you, after watching this, you can easily trace the image. You can easily trace the image. It is going to be very simple, you know, very simple. So please and please, attend my lecture. Okay, now the rule number first, very simple. What is rule number first? First of all, I will draw what mirror? Concave mirror. See, rule number first I am explaining. This is outer side polished, very nice of you, good. This is serpole, and this is a center of curvature, and this is the line that joins C with P. Very good. This is principal axis, right? Now this point is principal focus. These terms I have already explained to you. M dash, it is the aperture. This is pole, this is principal focus, this is curvature. Here, what is the rule number first? I will show it diagrammatically so that you can better understand. Okay, rule number first kya hai beta? Rule number first is, if the incident ray of light is parallel to the principal axis. Shabash. If the incoming ray, or you can say the incident ray, here it is incident ray. Okay, incident ray is parallel to the principal axis. A rule kya kehta hai? It will pass through the focus. So the first rule that you have to remember is that, sir, when a ray of light or incident light is parallel to the principal axis, it will pass through the focus. This is rule number first. And these rules do follow laws of reflection. Please remember, they follow the laws of reflection. Okay, rule number first is clear. Now rule number second. मैं बिल्कुल slowly पढ़ा रहा हूँ, so that each and every student will get a clear picture of these rules that are actually used to find the image formed by a concave mirror. Okay, so what is rule number second? Again, you have to draw the mirror. I will draw like this. I hope you are not only watching, but you are also learning some important, okay? Something important. This is pole. This is center of curvature. Again, the line that joins these 2 points, that's called principal axis. What is rule number second? Rule number second is अगर रे ऑफ लाइट सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर से आएगी, ओके हियर इज सर, आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन it will retrace its path. It will retrace its path. See my dear, why so? Because center of curvature से जब भी light ray जाती है, it will be normal to the plane. It will be normal to the plane. Recall my lecture, एक बार मैंने आपको कहा था, suppose this is the normal. अगर ray of light normal से आती है तो ये reflect भी कहाँ से करेगी? Normal से. Angle I is equal to angle R is equal to 0. समझ आया बेटा? So there will be no formation of the angle. So I don't have to discuss these, but here I'm going to discuss about only the rules that you have to follow when you are supposed to draw the image formation in case of concave mirrors. So what is the rule number second? Shabash beta, it is very easy, very easy to remember. So rule number second. Rule number first मैंने क्या बताया? If the ray of light is parallel to the principal axis, it has to pass through the focus. ये मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ, but it is a rule. Number second point is if the ray of light is incident, but it will pass through the center of curvature. After reflection, it will retrace its path. कोई आपसे पूछेगा सर क्यों? Because at that point, the incident ray is normal to the mirror. When the ray is normal to the mirror, it will retrace its path. It will retrace its path. Okay, this is rule number second. Rule number second is very important. All the rules are very important, but these two rules are frequently used. Let me repeat. These two rules are those rules that are repeatedly used in the image formation. Image formation में इन दोनों का ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल होता है. That's why I am repeating this one and this one. These two rules are very important. I hope the two rules are clear. Otherwise आपको पता है मुझे इन रूल्स को सिखाने में खाली 5 मिनट लगते हैं, लेकिन आपको अच्छी तरह से समझाने के लिए, आपको अच्छी तरह से कॉम्प्रहेंशन के लिए मैंने आहिस्ता इन रूल्स को पढ़ाया. और I hope you have understood. If you really enjoying this lecture, do comment and do subscribe my channel. Okay, now rule number 2 is clear to you. Now coming to the next. 2 रूल्स तो हो गए. ओके, नाउ द रूल नंबर 3. जल्दी से हम आपको तीसरा भी बताने जा रहे हैं. ओके, अगेन यू हैव शाबाश concave mirror. Here it is, concave mirror. अभी भी अगर आपको पता नहीं है तो concave mirror is the mirror which is polished outside, but reflection takes place inside. This is pole, this is shabash center of curvature, and this is the principal axis. Yes, and this is the focus. Rule number 1 मैंने क्या बताया? जल्दी से बताओ, जल्दी से. शाबाश. Rule number 1 मैंने बताया parallel focus. Now if the ray of light is coming just like this, अगर अब ray of light कहाँ से जाएगी? Focus से, तो it will reflect but parallel to the principal axis. आपको नहीं लगता ये रूल नंबर फर्स्ट का रिवर्स है? एग्जैक्टली है. देखो, पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस एंड इट विल पास थ्रू द फोकस. बट अगर ये अब फोकस से पास होगी तो रिफ्लेक्ट कहां से भाई होगी? सर, प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के पैरेलल. आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू. सो रूल नंबर 3 इज क्लियर. No need. So I think it's a very simple. So how many rules? It was rule number 3. Now the last point that you have to remember, rule number 4. Very good. Again you take this mirror, it's concave mirror. Shabash. Right. Here is the pole. You're absolutely right. So here is the principal axis and it is the center of curvature, and this is my dear focus. Now सर 3 रूल्स हमने पढ़े. पहला पैरेलल फोकस, दूसरा सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, तीसरा सर फोकस पैरेलल, एंड द फोर्थ वन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इफ द रे ऑफ लाइट इज obliquely incident एनी डायरेक्शन, कोई भी किसी भी डायरेक्शन से अगर रे ऑफ लाइट आती है ना, वो कहाँ पे आती है? मिरर पे पड़ती है. तो मिरर से वो रिफ्लेक्ट भी होगी. कैसे? जिस एंगल से वो इंसिडेंट होगी उसी एंगल से वो रिफ्लेक्ट भी होगी। आप बोलोगे सर क्यों? मैं बोलूँगा अकॉर्डिंग टू द लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन। अगर रे ऑफ लाइट 30 डिग्री के एंगल पे इंसिडेंट होती है मिरर पे, तो वो 30 डिग्री के एंगल से ही क्या रिफ्लेक्ट होगी। आई होप इट इज क्लियर टू यू। सो हियर इट इज, if the incident ray strikes the plane obliquely, okay, it will reflect obliquely, obviously. Suppose, my dear, the incident angle is 30 degree, so what will be the angle of reflection? Of course it is also 30 degree. So this is the rule number 4. So only how many rules you have to remember? Sir, we have to remember only 4 rules. So simple. We can easily draw the image of the concave mirror now. It is now easy. Now the what are these 4 rules actually? One is, sir, when the ray of light is parallel to the principal axis, it will pass through the focus. It is first one. Second one, what I said, if the ray of light is incident but it will pass through the center of curvature, after reflection it will retrace its path. Third one, sir, if the ray of light passes through the focus, it reflects parallel to the principal axis. Third one, sir, if the incident ray is obliquely incident ray, तो reflect भी क्या करेगी? Obliquely. Suppose incident ray makes an angle of 30 degree and it will also make the angle of reflection 30 degree. Why? As per the laws of reflection. I hope it is clear to you. मैं अपने लेक्चर को एक्सटेंड करना चाहता था, लेकिन I think today I will discuss only these rules, and inshallah tomorrow I am going to show you all the cases. There are actually 6 cases, but remember, my dear, if you don't remember these 4 rules, you cannot trace the image. I repeat, you cannot trace the image. To trace the image, these rules are important. So again, there are only 4 rules. I hope you have enjoyed my lecture. If you really enjoyed my lecture, comment में section में ज़रूर बताइएगा. And if you are new to this channel, new to me, and please do subscribe, okay, and press the bell icon. Comment is very important. Repeatedly I'm telling you, your comment is our confidence. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz, and keep learning. Thank you.